my people. I welcome all of you once again to my channel. On this channel, all that I share with you are business, investments, and forex trading tips. Yeah, as you know, forex has three dimensions. The first one has to do with technical dimensions. The second one is fundamental dimensions. And the third one is intuitive dimensions. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to concentrate on only one dimension, which has to do with the fundamental dimensions. So follow me closely as I walk you through. Yeah, so in fundamental dimensions, we have a combination of macro and micro economics. So instead of me stating each of them with each examples, I will just miss them for you to be familiarized with them. Yes. Yeah, the first example has to do with GDP, which stands for gross domestic products. And you also have another one, which is CPI, which stands for consumer price index. The third one has to do with PPI, which stands for producer price index. We also have interest rates. Inflation is there. The sixth one has to do with unemployment rates, retail sales, market sentiments is also there, which talks about the feelings of traders in the markets. We also have political events, very, very important. These political events could be elections, campaigns, rallies, and other important events. And another important one has to do with when there is war, famine, and natural disasters. It also affects the forex markets. The 12th point on the list is new technologies. That has to do with new productions that will boost the economy. You also have currency regimes as the 13th one. The 14th one has to do with a very important data, which has to do with employment data, which is in line with NFP. It stands for non-farm payroll, which is an employment of all government employees and other organizations, excluding farm workers on monthly basis in US. Yes, so this data is very, very important, which affects forex trading so much. Next after employment data is supply and demand, also very important. And bear in mind that the biggest factor that affects fluctuations in currency rates is the law of supply and demand. Yeah. Consumer confidence is the next one. Commodity prices is the 17th one. After commodity prices, we also have trade balance, which plays so much role in forex markets. The 19th fundamental dimension is the societal and ad hoc events. We again have PPP, which stands for purchasing power parity. I hope you can write it down. One of the most important fundamental dimensions, which is the 21 IRP, which stands for interest rate parity. Yeah, central banks also play so much role in forex markets, especially when it comes to interest rates adjustments. It affects the market. Stocks markets is also among the fundamental dimensions. Yeah, we also have technical levels, also plays so much role as far as fundamental dimension is concerned. Yeah, so my people, these are some of the fundamental dimensions we have in forex trading. Yes, there are various news data release that are being released occasionally that have so much positive and negative impacts in the markets. Yeah, there's no way we can trade without fundamental analysis, because fundamentals greatly move the market. Yes, so it is always advisable to be familiarized with these fundamentals so that we follow their data releases on the various news sites so that it will augur well for all of us. Yes, in my next video I will come out with the technical dimensions and intuitive dimensions so that you also be familiarize yourself with them. On this note, I would like to sign out here. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.